What's up guys, how's it going? This is Kshitij and today you won't hear Tanya because she's upstairs, and in this video we'll be giving you an apartment tour. So we have recently moved, of course we have been living in Edmonton, and we have recently moved from north to the south side. So this is Windermere and we'll give you an apartment tour. It's pretty nice, by the way. If you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Kshitij Tanya Vlog, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's go and we'll show you how Tanya has made this house a home. Let's go. Over to you, Tanya.
Okay, so as Kshitij must have told you our story of moving in. So now we'll be giving you a quick tour of our home with furniture inside.
Let's go.
So this is the main entrance, and as soon as you walk in, we have a closet here. So usually Canada, it's known for its winter time. So when we are ready for cold, and if we have any visitors, that we ask them to hang their coats or jackets here. And we also have our shoes here because we have to do something with our shoes, because we have our shoes right here. And we have our shoes here, and there is 2 boxes filled with shoes, so we have to do something about it. So we'll be doing something about it. So this is the cabinet, and then you have a small storage room plus laundry room. So this is the laundry here. That's the laundry, that's the drying machine. And then it's all stuffed here with things. We have our bed sheets, we have our suitcases and luggage bags. So it's a nice small storage room where you can keep your things that are not required on a daily purpose. So now let me take you inside our room, and I'll be taking out my slippers outside.
So I'm gonna be in the video as well now. It's my turn now. So let's see if, okay, this is the widest angle we can show you guys at. So as you can see, this here, I think it's a washroom, right? It's
That's
pretty
a
new, so
washroom.
yeah, even I have to remember now. This is the washroom.
This is our washroom. We have our shower, like the bathtub here. We have our shower curtain, and this is the sink area that we have. Here's a small closet, and it's all filled with Kshitij's gym wear. So
Let me show you. Have a look here. Like it's a mess here, and she keeps on fixing it. But this is me. This is me. This is.
So here, if you see, like as soon as you enter, we have a small kitchen area. So this is the dining area where we have kept our small dining table, because it's just 2 of us, and also if we have visitors, it is the accurate size to have.
Yeah, it's so compact that we can move. It's easy. If she's not here, I can make this dining table, play with this around, because I shoot here as well, can dirty it and then clean it at a glance, just like
So
that.
we got this table from IKEA, and the chairs are from StuckTube. I really wanted like light pink chairs because our house is all white, so I
White.
wanted like a hint of pink. So that's why we got these chairs. And then I did the wall myself.
She did the wall, yes.
So we got all of these posters, like these are metal posters. So we got these, and then we pinned it to the wall. And this is our dining area.
He made it for me. This wall is so nice. I can always sit here and shoot, because I have another channel, Kshitij
Mall Fitness. So if you see this wall somewhere, so
This is
now
the
you
wall.
know that this wall is in our home.
Here we have a small, this is kind of a part of the dining area as well, right? And we have kept it empty. She has kept it empty because I wanted it empty, so that I can have my own space while I'm shooting here.
Yes. So we have, like, I've just kept 2 sitting stools here, so that the place doesn't look crowded, but still we have things like places to sit. And also when you're coming from outside through the main door, you have a stool so you can sit down and take out your shoes.
Yes, I use it a lot. I will be using it a lot. So this is her department and my department as well.
Not
Both.
his department. He doesn't come here at all. He just comes here to eat. That's all.
And to shoot
And to
videos.
shoot. And to show that he owns this department, but he doesn't.
Okay.
When was the last time when you actually?
I
cooked?
don't know. I made. What is it
I
called?
think 5 years back when I came, that was the only day.
No, come on. I made a
Or
cake
on
for
my
her. She's
birthday.
lying.
Yeah, my birthday last.
I baked a cake. Come on. The healthy way. The healthy cake. Okay.
Surprise.
Let's show our kitchen. So,
So we have our kitchen here. We have our coffee machine because we do take coffee
I love
in
coffee.
the morning. Yeah. And then this is the air fryer because again sticking to the healthy way.
I love it.
This is the what do you call this?
Stove.
Stove, yeah, kitchen stove, and it also has a built-in griller, and like you bake your cakes and everything right here.
baked it here.
Right here, Kshitij Mall was here to bake my birthday cake. So that's the area, and this is like the kitchen area again.
And let me show you the
Lots of-
mess which I have created here. Right.
So here in Canada, like you have to do everything on your own. So there are machines that would support to your workload. So here's a dishwasher. So you just have to put all your dishes in and just like put your detergent kit here, and then it would just work. So that eases out on the workload. So dishes are done by dishwasher here. So one less thing to do.
And one more thing, I want to show my protein. This is what I use, guys. If you will go on my other channel, a lot of people ask me which protein do I use. I use this Optimum Nutrition. Okay, let's get back to our topic. So now, Tanya and I will show you our living room here.
So
White
if
wall.
we give you a look from here, so if you see the area is pretty good enough, like
It's nice.
it's a big living room. You can easily host a party, like you can easily entertain like 8 to 10 people here.
Easily.
So there's good amount of space, and if we take you closer, we have our couch here. This is something, the chair
Right
and
here.
the ottoman here, this is something that was custom built because like
Let me show you here.
it's a really beautiful.
It's so comfy, trust me. It's so comfy. What I do is, what I did today in the morning was when she was sleeping, I literally got this ottoman there and then slept there. Like, you know, put my legs here on it and relax. It's so nice
Yeah.
and comfy. It's
I
amazing.
actually like sleeping on this. I could actually
on this.
like, squeeze myself.
Look
onto
at the
this
size of this
ottoman.
guy here. Look at the size of the ottoman here, and she was sleeping on this yesterday.
So yeah, that's our living room, and I really tried to match the colors and really tried to keep the earthy colors because it gives you positivity. So there
Yeah.
was a thought process that went with it. By the way, this couch right here,
I don't like it.
it's a faux leather couch, but Kshitij Mall doesn't like it.
I don't know. I like it, but you know, if both of us have to, you know, lie and sit here, I don't know. He loves it, but it's.
That's why we got the chair, so he can lie and sleep on that chair, and I can have the whole couch to myself.
All right, let's take you to our bedroom. So this right here again was our living room, and right here behind me and behind Tanya as well is our kitchen. And then if we go like this, if I go 360 now from there to here, this was this was our main entrance. I'm still trying to remember it. And then we showed you the washroom. That white door is the washroom, and then our 2 bedrooms. So these 2 are our bedrooms. So one is here, I guess, right?
Yeah.
And this is this where Tanya is standing is the master bedroom.
Master bedroom, and then we have one guest bedroom, which is right here.
Right here.
So guys, we are taking you inside our bedroom to show you what things we have. So this is our bedroom, and like we just have our bed here, and we have to get a TV for our bedroom, which would be here. So we actually have the stand, but we have to get the TV. Then we have our mirror here.
Let me come in the mirror as well. And then this is our cupboard right here, right? And
So this is all Kshitij's cupboard. So
Yeah, yeah,
if
let
you
me-
think that guys do not have much clothes, it's a myth, because
I love wearing clothes,
he
man.
has a whole cupboard to himself.
No, I just love wearing clothes. So this is it. This is me. This is just by me. This is quite a spacious master bedroom, right? And let's take you to our guest bedroom right here. So they are beside each other. So master bedroom is here, and then the guest bedroom is right here. So
So
this is
one's a little messy right now
still
because
moving.
we still have to like figure out where we have to keep the things and make it look more beautiful. So we just have one bed here. Like we still have to get the frame of the bed, but we have the mattress.
And
then-
show your cupboard as well now. She was showing my cupboard. She has a full rack here, as you can see, right here. And then look at her cupboard.
So this is my cupboard, all neatly organized. And so if you take a comparison, it's not that bad because we are, I think, at equal distance, like we have equal amount of clothes.
Clothes.
Kshitij
Yeah,
has like 1.5 cupboard because he also has a cupboard
in the washroom. And then I'll make a vlog on my shoes as well, and her shoes as well. Like it's something at a different level. We'll do that in another video.
So here what I would like to show is a wall. So I put the dream catcher there and then a whole thread of Polaroid pictures.
Our memories.
Our memories till now. So we have like different set of pictures here with my sister, with our friends. So that's all there. And then we have a tiny window with which you can view the street outside, and it's like really nice room and spacious room.
And then we have Tanya's it's already set up. The mandir here, it's nice. She comes and pray here, so this is also very nice.
I have to get like the whole mandir set up, like the mandir, the actual mandir.
So it's my correction here. It's still setting up. It's still coming up for you. Let's take you to the balcony here. How our balcony is. We'll go. So we have to pass through again our living room. So if like in future if we are having a party and somebody wants to have fun, we can barbecue outside. We can if we have to host a party, we can use the outside area as well. So we'll take you to our balcony. So as you can see, it's pretty decent. The space is pretty decent, and we have our barbecue here as well. It's a nice busy place, as you can see. We can always sit. Tanya is behind the camera, but I have to tell her whenever you're feeling lonely and I'm feeling lonely, we both can chit chat here, have a cup of coffee and then enjoy here as well. It's a nice, beautiful, busy roadway, and across the street, if you see, there is everything. So there is, as you can see, there are lots of shops here.
So there's Home Sense, Winners, Marks,
movie theater
Home
as well.
Depot.
Yeah, it's everything. Honestly, everything.
So this is it, guys. This was our home tour video. So we tried to cover everything that was in our house. We have built in with a lot of effort, because like here you have to bring the things home yourself. You have to, suppose if you're buying things from IKEA, you have to put it together yourself. So a lot of time, energy and efforts have gone into building this home. So we are paying 1400 for 2-bedroom here. It is a newer area. It's Windermere in south of Edmonton. So it's a newer area. It's a really nice neighborhood. So it's 2-bedroom, 1 washroom plus balcony. And here we have to pay separate for utilities as well. So utilities come around like $40 to $50. $50 at the max during summer, like when you're using fans, etc. But like $40 should be good for.
It's a bit pricey to be honest, but it's worth it because you know this is the most posh areas of Edmonton City. So this is it. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, I'm gonna show you an aerial shot as well. And one more thing, I think when you are planning to rent or own an apartment or a house, just make sure that you have the basic amenities nearby, like school, gas stations, grocery stores. So when Tanya found this apartment, like she made sure that everything was very close by. So we have everything, Walmart, Superstore, everything like 2 minutes away from us, like 2 minutes walk. So yeah, just make sure that you are choosing the right place. And this is it, guys. Hopefully you like the video. And
if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, to Kshitij Tanya Vlogs.
Okay.
Like, share,
and subscribe. I'll count till 3 and then make sure you guys are subscribing. So let's count. You count with me. 3, 2, 1. And the subscribe button is right where it says Kshitij Tanya Vlogs. It's a red button, and make sure you guys are subscribing to our channel. So take care, guys. We'll see you in another video very soon. Till then, have fun. Bye bye.
bye.